I will end you like a man.
Anyway, you've been acting different lately, less like a sissy and more macho. You've been watching online male role model gurus again, haven't you?
Here's how to get any girl you ever wanted. First step, ask her out. So instinctually say yes, because you're an alpha. That's when you run away. I want to see you sprinting. She's obviously a federal agent. Better, she's just desperate. Now, on the rare chance, she says no. I want you to flood her DMs. It needs to look biblical. So say yes out of pure pity. That's when you repeat step one and run away. Follow my advice, and you'll get yourself a flock of women just like me.
Wow, he's literally me.